welcome to the channel. We work in, we work out. Now, today is all about dips and a secret, well not so secret, but a tip to help you really improve them and bring them to the next level. If you want that chest development, if you want those triceps development, I'm going to show you how you can take it to the next level. Now there's body weight dips, which we'll show you, and then there's weighted dips, which you know about. I'll just do a quick demonstration of those, then I'll show you the tip towards the end of the video. It's just a short video, mind, that will help you take your dips to the next level. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, and I've just got it set up so the tip to take you to the next level isn't just weighted dips, which will help you. You'll probably do that at a lower rep range than you're used to doing your dips at when you're using weighted dips, but to work even more muscles, to get even more of a burn, and to work out in a slightly different way and to give you more of a challenge. I don't know if you can see behind me, is rings. If you can get hold of a set of rings, you can pick them up from the store. I'll leave a description in the link below. But you know, about £20 if you're thinking about dollars, maybe it's about $15 to $20, something like that. But rings are going to really help you take you to the next level. So I'll just give you a quick demo of those and doing ring dips. So as you can see, there's a lot of shaking around, so your stabilizer muscles are really going to kick in when you're doing your ring dips. Really helps take you to the next level. So there it is. Try out ring dips if you've got access to rings. It's a really good workout. Like, subscribe. You know, if you felt this was useful, if you, make a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe so you find out when the next bit of content's coming out, and check me out on Instagram on Working Workout TV. That's Working Workout TV on Instagram. And I'll see you next time.